Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best 100-foot hose reel on the market right now, the Ayleid Retractable Garden Hose Reel. If you're looking for a convenient and efficient way to manage your garden watering needs, stick around because this reel might just be the answer you've been searching for. The Ayleid Retractable Garden Hose Reel is packed with features designed to make your gardening experience hassle-free. It comes with a 100-foot hose, perfect for larger outdoor spaces, and it's wall-mounted with a 180-degree swivel bracket, allowing for easy maneuverability and storage. Let's break down some of its key features. First off, it has an automatic rewind system. After you're done watering, simply give the hose a gentle tug, and it retracts smoothly and slowly, ensuring no messy tangles or kinks. This feature alone saves so much time and effort compared to manually coiling a hose. Another standout feature is the 9-function spray nozzle that comes included. Whether you need a gentle shower for delicate plants or a powerful jet for cleaning, this nozzle has you covered. It's versatile and easy to switch between different spray patterns with a simple twist. The reel itself is made from durable PVC material, which ensures longevity even in various weather conditions. It's designed to be lightweight yet sturdy, making installation and daily use a breeze. Speaking of installation, setting up the Ayleid hose reel is straightforward. It comes with all the necessary hardware and a user manual, so you can have it mounted and ready to use in no time. Plus, it's designed with an easy-to-mount bracket that allows for a secure fit on any solid wall. Now, let's talk about what users are saying. They particularly love how easy it is to use, its lightweight design, and the fact that it keeps their garden hoses neatly organized. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your garden hose setup to something more efficient and user-friendly, the Ayleid Retractable Garden Hose Reel is definitely worth considering. Its blend of convenience, durability, and functionality makes it a standout choice in the market. If you're interested in learning more or picking one up for yourself, I've included a link in the description below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe for more reviews and product insights here on Product Critique.